Welcome to our comparison of two popular dishwashers, the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher and the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher. Today, we'll explore how these two models stack up against each other in terms of capacity, convenience, and overall performance. Whether you're looking for a powerful built-in option for a large family or a compact solution for a small apartment, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher boasts a generous capacity of 12 place settings, making it ideal for larger families or those who frequently entertain guests. In contrast, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is designed for smaller loads, accommodating over 30 pieces of tableware, which is perfect for individuals or couples living in compact spaces. While the built-in model excels in capacity, the portable option offers flexibility for those with limited kitchen space. Installation is a key difference between these two models. The BLACK+DECKER requires a permanent plumbing connection and is designed to be built into your kitchen cabinetry, which can be a hassle for some homeowners. On the other hand, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher offers incredible convenience with no installation required. It features a detachable water tank, allowing you to easily use it in various settings, such as apartments or RVs, making it a versatile choice for those on the go. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher is a premium option at $999 United States dollars, reflecting its larger capacity and robust features. In contrast, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is budget-friendly at just $299 United States dollars, making it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable yet effective dishwashing solution. This significant price difference highlights the trade-off between capacity and convenience. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher and the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher have their unique strengths. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for larger households needing high capacity and performance, while the Gudsunal offers unmatched convenience and portability for those with limited space. Consider your needs and kitchen setup to choose the best dishwasher for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.